Hey friends, if you wish to change local time on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side and select date and time in the right pane. Okay, now there is a switch which can allow you to set time automatically and then click on sync now. I always do that, but I am not in a region where there is daylight sharing and everything. If you wish to change the local time, then turn the switch off, choose the location. Okay, then turn this switch off and then set the time manually by clicking on this, and then you can change the time to anything that you want. Okay, and then click on change, and once you click on change, the time will change here as well. Okay, let me show you. Click on change. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.